Hey peoples, it's me TJ51605, and today I'm here to bring you another video. I'm here with my friend Aspen Branch. She has her own channel, go check her out, link in the description. Anyway, today we're going to be doing the Phantom Invasion Challenge. It's like the plushie challenge, except we're doing it with the Phantom Invasion game. If you don't know what that is, look it up. I don't feel like explaining it. I'm bad at explaining things. Enjoy! Here's round 1 of the Phantom Invasion Challenge. Here's round 2 of the Phantom Invasion Challenge. So the score is 10-7, which isn't surprising because I am pretty good at Phantom Invasion. Anyway, that about wraps it up for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to stay weird, amazing peoples. Bye!